Welcome to the Windows Club. If the dates are showing wrong in the File Explorer window while you are viewing through the Details view, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The procedure is simple. Open the File Explorer window in the Details tab once again. Right-click on any of the headers and it will display a menu. In that menu, uncheck the checkbox associated with the Date option. Then check the checkbox associated with the Date Modified option. The Date Modified option will be the rightmost column in the File Explorer window usually. This should solve the problem in discussion. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.